In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new debit card to your MoneyGram account. If you're looking to streamline your payment methods for a faster transaction experience, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can add your debit card without any hiccups. Before we jump in, make sure you have your debit card handy. Having your card details ready will make this process smoother. Let's get started by logging into your MoneyGram account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the MoneyGram website. Once there, enter your email address and password to access your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that step, ensuring your account stays secure. Now that you're logged in, look towards the main navigation on the site and find the Payment Methods section. This is where you'll manage your payment preferences, making it easier to send money quickly next time. Once you're in Payment Methods, you're going to see an option that says Add Debit Card. Click on this to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll need to enter your debit card information. Carefully input your card number to avoid any errors. Often, a simple mistake in the card number can cause delays or declines. Then, fill in the expiration date. This is usually represented by the 2-digit month and 2-digit year, which you can find on the front of your card. Next, enter the CVV code. That's the 3-digit number on the back of your card. It's important to ensure this is accurate to avoid any verification issues. After entering all the necessary details, you should see an option to save your information. Click that button to save the card to your account. This step ensures that the card is recognized by your MoneyGram account whenever you choose to use it for transactions. In some cases, you may need to verify your card. MoneyGram might send a small temporary charge asking you to confirm the exact amount charged. Check your bank statement or online banking app for this tiny transaction. Once you've found it, return to the MoneyGram site and enter the amount to finalize the verification. If this step is required, it's a good idea to complete it promptly to ensure your card is ready for use. And there you have it. You're all set with adding a new debit card to your MoneyGram account. From now on, whenever you need to make payments or send money through MoneyGram, your freshly added debit card is ready to go, streamlining your process. If you have any questions or run into issues, consider reaching out to MoneyGram's customer support for assistance. They're there to help resolve any problems and ensure your account remains secure and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.